For Lesson 8, we'll be doing functions, glorious functions. All right, let me explain this fantastic code, the best code ever. First, we have a beautiful function called build_wall, and it takes a height and a length as arguments. Inside the function, we calculate the area of the wall by multiplying the height and length. Then we print a message about the wall we're building. Trust me, it's going to be huge. Finally, we return the wall area. Next, we have another incredible function called tax_reduction. It takes your income and calculates how much tax you'll save with my amazing tax plan. If your income is less than $100,000, you'll save 10%. If not, you'll save 15%. Everyone loves tax savings. After that, we have a short and sweet lambda function called Trump_greeting. It's like a one-liner, just like my tweets. It takes your name and prints a greeting, reminding you that I'm the best president ever. Lastly, we talk about the scope of variables. We have a function called Trump_quote with a local variable quote inside it. This variable is only accessible inside the function. Then we have a global variable quote, which is accessible everywhere, just like my Trump brand. The function prints the local quote, and after that we print the global quote, and there you have it. Another fantastic, tremendous programming lesson by me. I'm the best teacher, believe me. Enjoy programming, and remember, nobody does it better than me, like you'll no doubt remember to like and subscribe after watching this video. And check out the next lesson in this Python tutorial series. It really helps.